For the past 2 weeks, I've been crocheting non-stop, but this is the project I'm most excited to show you guys. To get started, I need to make a bunch of circles in different sizes and pattern, and I'm going to be using this yarn from Knitting Essential. I absolutely love them. They are gorgeous and they sparkle. This is how I create my circle crochet project. I'm not exactly sure how many I'm going to need, but it is going to have to be a lot. So I'm actually using another crochet needle. I wrap it like so, and here you have your perfect circle to get started with. There we go. Our project is started just like that. I need quite a lot of this in different sizes to make this project work. So just add one more. I sound like I'm dying. Where's my voice going? You have your shape, you have your first circle to work with. You can decide to make this bigger, you can decide to make it smaller. It's really up to you, but I'm obviously going to make mine in different shapes. So some I'm going to stop at this length and some I'm going to make bigger. It's taking me like forever to do all of these patches, but they're done now, which I'm super excited for. The next step is to attach them together, and I'm going to do that by actually sewing using the same yarn. I've got some pieces all cut off here that I'm going to use. There's no sense of rhythm, guys. I'm just going to like create some kind of pattern, like something like this, and sew it together, which should be fun. And then when I have enough, I'll take it to the mannequin and see how it's looking. But for now, there is a lot of hand sewing that needs to be done. This is what we have so far. I'm going to place it on my mannequin so I can start building out the pattern so I can see everything properly. And yes, I took my makeup off because I'm actually tired. Oh, guys, can you see this? Let's make sure you can see it. I think I want this to sit sort of around here. I'm not sure if I want it to be like a sort of like a t-shirt style shirt, or if I want like a halter neck or back top. I'm still playing around with it, so that's what I'm gonna do in this section. I'm just gonna put the patches around and see what we're working with. This is my first idea. I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. It feels quite busy, and I also don't think I'll be able to layer it like I intended. So the back is just plain and backless. And the front, just this halter neck kind of design, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to try the second idea out. I think I'm gonna go with this. If I go with this design, I should be able to put it over other stuff. Like I can put it on a shirt, I can put it even on a blazer, which gives me a lot more versatility and option. I decided to try it on, and as you can tell, I'm absolutely loving the progress. However, there are a few changes. The straps are a bit loose, so I'm going to remove this two on the back just to make it a bit more fitted. I'm also going to add a bit more around the bust area because, like I said, I might line it so I can wear it just as it is. This is what it's looking like. I'm working on the second strap, which is just right here, but this one is done. I only have a few more things that I need to do, so I need to finish the sides just to hold everything together, and I will be done, and I can come back and show you guys, one, how I trim all of this extra threads or yarn or whatever you want to call it, and also some styling ideas of how I intend to wear this garment. So you definitely want to stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe if you're still not subscribed. I've literally been on this all day. I was really hoping to finish tonight, but your girl needs her beauty sleep. But it is almost done. We need to do the trimming, and of course I'm going to be showing you guys at least one way I'm going to be styling this. But let me know in the comment section if you think I should line it. I feel like I would have so much more use out of it if it's lined, but let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the morning. I've just taken one of the yarn and threaded it into this really nice crochet sewing pin, sewing needle, whatever you want to call it, but it's essentially the same thing. I'm going to try and follow the natural pattern of my crochet and just, oh, careful, and just essentially hide the extra, but at the same time sewing it in so that you don't have any surprise unraveling situation. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. This has been such a fun learning experience. Like, I've learned so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. As usual, love you guys loads. Mwah. Bye.